Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this one I will show you how to send automated Slack alerts from Gmail in Zapier. So of course open up your Zapier workspace, click create and then choose Zap. And then of course as the trigger app, which is the first window and button, choose your Gmail. Search for Gmail here. Okay. And in here of course in the event, let's choose what you want. So for example, the event parameter will be new email matching search. There you go, this one. And of course, don't forget to log in into your Gmail by using this button here. Continue to Gmail and then just connect. And then guys, now that your targeted inbox data is isolated, let's map the action delivery layer. So once again, choose action. If you don't have that window, choose add step right here. And then choose Slack as your action app. Just type in Slack and search. Okay. And then choose your target destination channel from the drop-down list. So in the event, choose some kind of alerts, direct message, for example, and of course, select your authenticated team workspace. Don't forget to, of course, connect your account on Slack. And then inside the message text canvas box, construct a clean notification template. Okay, so as you can see, you can send multi-messages who will just send one. So to username, let's choose Asana, for example, and then type in the message, send as a bot yes, bot name insert anyone if you wish. Then, of course, choose your image by URL, bot icon, and schedule at. So when will this particular message will be triggered, and then press on continue. And in here in this window, you can just test your step and make sure that that message is actually arriving to a certain person in your Slack. So the exact second you publish this live, now critical message update will flash straight onto your team's radar on pure autopilot. That is it. Like and subscribe as always. See you in the next run.